Hey, welcome back to Niki's Kitchen. Today I am doing some brown stew red snapper. When I tell you this was good, this was really good. As you can see here, a nice red snapper, just the perfect meal, the perfect dinner. I will walk you through the recipe. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing video. So I went ahead and I scaled my fish, washed with vinegar and lime, and now I'm drying the excess water from the fish. So I'm removing the tail of the fish. Once I'm done doing that, I will season 3 seasoning powder seasoning used, black pepper, the onion powder seasoning, and also all-purpose seasoning. That's all I used on it, and you could also use your fish seasoning. Once I apply my seasoning, powder seasoning, I will be using green seasoning, onion, scallion, thyme. I'm gonna use some okra as well as some Irish potato. Once I've completed cutting up the seasoning, okra and Irish potato, I will move on to frying the fish. Please stay tuned for that. Now it's time to cook down the seasoning that I had previously cut up. I'm adding some of the oil that I used to fry the fish, and I'm also gonna add some water to this. Once I am done, I'm gonna add the okra, Irish, and the other green seasoning to this pot and allow it to cook for some time. I will also add some of the powder seasoning to it as well to give taste, the onion powder, all purpose, and black pepper. This is already smelling so good. I will let this cook for some time, maybe about 2 to 3 minutes. I also added some soy sauce. I'm gonna mix this together and let it cook for some time. Once this is cooked enough, I'm gonna add the fish to the pot. Stay tuned. This was so delicious. Everything was on point. The okra was good. The Irish potato, the fish. I added some rice to the side. That was so good. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And try this recipe and let me know how it came out for you. Bye.